Hi everyone, welcome to Michelin King. Today we're going to be looking at a car wax called Cardinal. So Cardinal's one of our luxury waxes. What it gives you is great gloss, great clarity, and also that chrome style reflection. One of the nice things about Cardinal is it looks really good on both metallic paint and also solid paint as well. So we're just going to show you some of the steps to get the best from it. First up, what we want to do is grab the applicator pad. Now this is a slightly larger one, it's got the pocket at the back of it as well, so it allows you just to keep the pad from slipping out your hands and you get the grip around the edge. Good size pad as well, so if your hands are a bit bigger it's more comfortable to hold. One of the things that we always do, and you'll see on the videos, is we get quick detailer and we just a few sprays onto the pad, and what that does is it softens the fibres and just makes sure that they're not dry. You don't saturate it. Once you've sprayed it on, just let it hit the air and the excess will dry off. So next up, we'll take Cardinal here. As you can see, really nice texture, nice pour as well. You can probably hear in the background this is the estate starting to get a bit busier, so just bear with us. And all you're doing here is putting just a small amount on the front. With the luxury waxes, less is more. The reason behind that is the oils in here are so highly concentrated but easy to use. So when I say highly concentrated, I don't mean thick, I just mean that we have removed as much of the non-active ingredients as possible. So this is why they give you such a good finish. There we go. Lovely smell from Cardinal as well. That'll go back in. So these are specifically made jars to protect what's inside, so it doesn't matter in terms of UV etc. We can leave that quite comfortably and we're not worried about anything damaging the wax inside. So what I like to do is just dot the paint, because what that means is when you apply here, there's not a big concentration, so what you're doing as you pass over the paint is you're picking up new wax all the time. Just again, it gives you a better finish. You can see from that small amount that we've put on here, it's absolutely plenty to do probably half of this side of the vehicle, and bearing in mind, for Europe or the UK, it's quite a big car, so a little does go a long way. Another thing that putting the dots on the paint, it actually helps with a more even coat as well. You can feel the paint is nice and smooth underneath. Now, what you typically do with the luxury wax is you leave them for maybe 30 to 40 minutes, and the reason behind that is you want the oils to set. What that does is it gives you a thicker layer of wax and therefore a better looking paint. But since we are recording this, we'll take one of our new Kensington edgeless cloths. What you can see here is a slightly more plush side, and then you've got a slightly tighter nap on this side, so absolutely great for wax, sealant removal, that type of thing. Up to yourself what side you use. Because the wax hasn't been on long, you're just going to use the more dense side, the tighter nap. Again, we're taking the quick detailer, putting it on the cloth, we're softening the fibres, just doing everything we can to make sure that the paint doesn't get damaged. You always want to use high quality cloths as well for any sealant or wax removal, because you want obviously the softest cloth you can get. and that's it. It's very, very easy. Now, hopefully the camera can pick this up, but we can already see, or I can already see just now, due to the high level of T1 carnauba that's in this wax, you get this chrome-like reflection, and that specifically comes from T1 and some of the oils as well. And that's one of the ways with the luxury waxes that we've engineered specific attributes for them. So Cardinal really excels on this side of things. So if you want that really shiny, reflective, almost chrome-like paint, this is the way to go. And the reason it'll look great on solid paint is because of that, but it'll also look good on metallic as well, because it allows the light to penetrate through. So the oils, as you can see from the blend, are very light coloured, so it means that there's nothing so much masking or reducing the light's ability to penetrate through that layer. So it's just a truer reflection of the clear coat, essentially, is what you're getting. Now, what we'll do is we can take the camera off and see if we can pick this up. As you come round, you should be, it's a very high reflective surface. And that is what we're trying to achieve, that chrome look that you're seeing just at the camera here. Obviously, one of the issues that you've always got with videos is a camera will never be as good as the naked eye. But the great thing with the videos is that once you apply this, you'll see how good it looks as well. So the video gives a good indication of what we can achieve in just a few minutes using high quality product that will give you a real superior finish.